What is wrong with that baby? Say, yes. Say hi everybody. Say hi everybody. Say welcome back to my channel. Yeah, something like that. Tell them what we doing today. Right. And what else? Yeah. And then what? Yeah. And then what? Yeah. What happened? And just like you have it and heard it, that's what we're doing today. Ain't that right? Yes. See that? Okay. Whoosh. Whoosh. I got my sister and all that good stuff, you know. Brady looked at him like, And
they said, no, turn around, nigga, go, run.
It'd be funny, the police looked at him, what you doing? I ain't say nothing. What does he say? I don't know nothing.
That's the only thing, like, nigga, even if he would have turned around, they was already surrounding that nigga.
And it wasn't like it was just 5 or 6, like it was like
that nigga was on
campus. Like them niggas was like a fraternity on that bitch.
Nigga said, yeah, they call me,
I can't even use this shit.
What's up? Right now, so you ain't got no bullets in it.
I know.
I said, you ain't gonna be able to shoot the damn thing.
And that bitch loud.
Imagine what would come breaking in the house and that's the first thing nigga grab.
Nerf gun. Shoot. Whoa, dog, who you rolling up on?
It's good for my distraction. Like, it should be painted all black.
Oh, my bad. Damn, son. Yeah, it's like, damn, this nigga got that sprayer in there. Don't make me shoot this bitch. No, for real, don't make me shoot this bitch. I ain't got no bullet.
Well, the fact that they ain't got no bullets, bitch. I mean, the bullets ain't gonna do a damn thing to you, but possibly hit you in the eye.
Let's need to put some hot sauce on the end of these bitches.
Shit, talking about renters losing their job in COVID 2020. Talking about the fucking landlord. You just got to pay her rent. You're not wrong.
Do you need a bottle? You do need some clean clothes out of that. You took the cat.
Yes.
Here's what's new for you today.
Alright guys, so as of lately, you guys know I've been posting for, I guess today technically makes 20 days straight for Vlogmas, and sometimes you have to take a break, and I think that's what I've been doing for the most part with these last 3 days that I posted. definitely feel like a mental break is needed from time to time, especially with posting back to back like that, because you get kind of flustered, you get this feeling of obligation, and you don't ever want that feeling when you're recording. So I had to take a break, which is why you don't see me uploading at the normal scheduled time of 3 throughout the weekend. I mean weekdays. Yeah, 3 throughout the weekdays and 10 on the weekends. But I will say Vlogmas has been fun overall, honestly. I normally don't do the whole 25. I think the most I've ever done was 12 days. But that was like 3 years ago, so I actually decided to test myself to see if I could do the 25 days. And we have 5 days left, so I am sure that I'm going to do this again because it was pretty fun. But I know the biggest question is, am I going to continue on after Christmas Day? A few days after Christmas, for the rest of December going into January, I will continue to vlog with my family because it seems like you guys really like when I include them in the vlogs. So I'm definitely going to keep the boys and my husband in these vlogs with us. I think the hardest part about Vlogmas is being the content creator, being the director, being the editor, all of that, the event coordinator. Like, you have to plan out so much stuff, and then even when we already have stuff to do, sometimes I don't want to take out my camera in those moments because I feel like those are family moments and I don't want to be looking into a lens when I'm right there. I'd rather be in the present. So I think that's the hardest thing about recording during Vlogmas. And then sometimes, like I said, you get lazy or you get tired or you need a mental break and you don't really want to record or vlog. But I definitely feel like it's more fun than anything to go back and look at the video that you had throughout the whole month of December and just see like, dang, even if I wasn't doing nothing, I was still having fun with my family. Boy, leave your slippers on. Stop. I'm about to put you down. You want to get down? Honestly, at first when I did this, I didn't really think that I could pull it off because I was like, well, let me not say that. I did think that I could pull it off, but I did have moments where I was like, this is a lot. Will I be able to do it? I'm running behind. But after realizing a lot now that I really wasn't too far behind, I'm just uploading later. I'm still getting the content out there. Mom. I'm still getting the content out there, which is the biggest part that I like the most, is being able to do this because I feel like I've been more consistent more than I've ever done, especially with even just posting makeup tutorials. I definitely feel more consistent. Stop. For the last 3 days of Vlogmas, meaning Christmas Day, Christmas Eve, and the 23rd, honestly, you guys can expect to just see more family, if anything else, more family time. I don't really have too many story times left over. I think this is the part where you guys are going to see a more intimate side of the family, and that's the biggest thing there is. So that's the thing that you can look out for, honestly. And overall, I will say, if you are, can I help you? Yeah. I will say, if you're looking to do Vlogmas, just be sure to plan your content and really make sure it's something that you really want to do. You have to come out the woodwork swinging, honestly. You have to plan ahead and then stick to your guns and stick to your schedule, because that's what you have a schedule for, and that's the only way it's going to work. But I think Kaden wants to be on the camera, so I'm going to let him have his time on the camera with you guys. Yeah, just so we can have a better platform. Go, pumpkin. Go, pumpkin. I go, pumpkin. I go, pumpkin.